हर बार मेडिटेशन करते वक्त ये मेरे दिमाग में आता है, तो अब मुझे लगा कि टाइम है कि ये मैं सबको बता दूँ, ठीक है। फॉर मी, माई एक्सप्लोरेशन ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज़ अ वेरी customized journey for me, and it is a journey which God is giving me, and my only wish, is that each one of you take that journey with your God. हाँ, आप हेल्प लीजिए, आप इधर से हेल्प लीजिए, आप उधर से हेल्प लीजिए, आप पढ़िए, पर आपका जो जर्नी है ना इतना यूनिक है ना, और गॉड आपको उस जर्नी में हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी है, ठीक है। सो वो जर्नी आप लीजिए, बट आई एम गोना टेल यू समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, a very interesting thing that always comes to my mind whenever I'm doing my meditation, and this is what it is. क्या होता है ना, जब हमारे लाइफ में कोई इसी तरह का प्रॉब्लम होता है, हम क्या बोलते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, कोई मंत्र दे दीजिए, उस मंत्र को पढ़ लेते हैं, ये एक तरीका है, इसको कर लीजिए तो इससे सब ठीक हो जाएगा। हम भगवान से ना रिलेशनशिप बनाने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं। हम ये कोशिश नहीं करते हैं कि भगवान क्या चाहते हैं हमसे, हम अपना पर्पस ढूंढने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं, हम अपना लाइफ चेंज करने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं। हमें चाहिए कि हाँ कुछ मंत्र मिल जाए, कुछ वो मिल जाए और हमारी लाइफ चमक जाए। This whole approach of spirituality was of a different era altogether. This spirituality that I'm talking about, हमारे अभी के टाइम का spirituality is खुद की खोज, और आप अपने आप को खोज सकते हो अगर आप भगवान के साथ एक रिश्ता बना सकते हो। भगवान के साथ आप रिश्ता तभी बना पाओगे जब आप भगवान को समझ पाओगे। तो ये जो मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, ये एक एहसास है जो मुझे हर बार आता है जब भी मैं मेडिटेट करती हूँ, जब भी मैं चांट करती हूँ, तो ये एहसास मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। ओके, दिस इज़ वेरी कंसेप्चुअल। ओके, व्हेनेवर आई चांट आई ऑलवेज गेट दिस epiphany, understanding, is that there is Vishnu here connecting the larger universe to the ground. I always see him standing, like that. There's Vishnu, and then there is Shiva, and then there is Shakti. Okay, I've done a previous video on this as well, that if you're dealing with your day-to-day trials and tribulation, Vishnu gives, or different forms of Vishnu like Krishna especially, gives you knowledge of how to deal with it. He is more closer to the earth. That is why you will find a lot of people praying Vishnu quite a lot, because probably it is very easy for people to connect with Vishnu or with Krishna. And it's very easy with Bhakti Bhav. If you connect, you can connect with Krishna. And then Krishna helps you with the trials and tribulations of your life, gives you the wisdom as well as helps you. Okay, so that is the first layer. Whenever I pray, that's the first layer that I see. And then above it, I'm not saying that one God is above another God, but that's just a representation of who is closer to earth. What I am seeing in my meditation, I mean, it is open for interpretation. This is what I see. Then I get this feeling of Shiva, which is like total shunyata. Now, there is a beautiful thing about shunyata, that in our Vedantic philosophies, we have that a whole, that something which is like complete and something which is like nothing. So everything and nothing is same. Okay, so you have to look it from this purpose, that we pray Shiva for a lot of our desires in the sense, life partner, a certain job or whatever. A lot of desires. People do a lot of chants, or लोग व्रत रखते हैं मंडे को. So those are desires, and there is one aspect of fulfillment of desire, and then there is this another aspect of there is nothing left, shunyata. Okay, so everything and nothing collapses with each other. That is where I see Shiva gives that shunyata of the mind, the groundedness of the body, the clarity of the mind. Okay, it slows you down. And from there, when you slow down, is your path to transcendental wisdom. All right, that transcendental wisdom and the knowledge, that layer I see as Shakti. There are two aspects of Shakti that I see. One is a more closer to earth aspect Shakti, which gives us energy to do things. Like if you're totally devastated and dilapidated in a life and we need to keep moving, you do Durga chanting, you do Durga meditation and all that, you get the energy to move ahead. But then there is an aspect of Adi Shakti, Parashakti that nobody understands. People have different names, but there is the Shakti, okay, that nobody understands. And that is transcendental wisdom, the intuition, the knowledge. And that is how I see things percolating. Whenever, there are moments when I chant, this is what I see. Shakti whispering in the ears of Shiva as a madhyam, passing that information to earth through Vishnu. I mean, that is how I see things, that is how it appears to me. And many things become very clear when I pray some of these gods and goddesses. Like I said, trials and tribulations, your life, your 3D aspects of thing, the challenges that you're facing, Vishnu, Krishna chanting, meditation, yeah, right? Then the aspects of I want to fulfill my, desires, and at the same time I want to, again, like I said, two aspects of thing. One is the desire and the other is the total shunyata of the mind. That groundedness, the mind, the stability of the mind, the calmness of the mind. Because then Shiva becomes the medium. Shiva becomes the medium to reach that Shakti which nobody knows of. Right? You have to become a Shiva to be able to get that Shakti. So that state of, first obviously you approach Shiva for your desires and everything, but when you become one with Shiv, you become the vessel. You get into that state of total calmness where you can get the intuition of Ma, of the Devi. That is how I always see things. And again, I would like to repeat, there are two aspects of Devi I see. One is, which is closer to the earth, closer to the 3D aspects of thing, is energy, vitality to go and do things. And the other aspect, which is the higher aspects of Devi's consciousness, is that knowledge and intuition which nobody knows of. So if you ever think that one needs to read books or one needs to talk to teachers and mentors, that's a madhyam. But an individual is capable to connect directly with God. You are capable of connecting directly to the intuition and wisdom of the universe. Most of the things, I generally don't do scripted videos because most of the things that I'm saying is all coming through what I have felt, what I have implemented, what I am seeing. Yes, there's a lot of impact of age-old learnings that I've had, but those age-old learnings were all this God, this mantra, this God, this mantra. My own depiction of the whole thing is my story. And that's how you build relationship with God. That's how God starts communicating with you. And each individual is capable of doing that. The sad part of thing is that we think we are incapable. We do need a guru जो हमारा मार्गदर्शन करेंगे. हाँ, गुरु की आवश्यकता होती है, लेकिन आपका उद्देश्य ये होना चाहिए कि मुझे भगवान से रिलेशनशिप बनाना है। वो उद्देश्य, वो पर्पस अगर आपको आता है, मुझे धर्म को समझना है, मुझे भगवान के साथ रिलेशन बनाना है, तो द स्टोरी स्टिचेस इन इटसेल्फ। यू डोंट हैव टू curate it in your own way. It will stitch in itself. This is the view that I get, and I wanted to share this. I wanted this information to be out. And tell me how you feel about things. What are those moments where you have connected with Krishna or Vishnu? What are those moments that you have connected with Shiva and again Devi? And the beautiful part of everything is that everything collapses into one. That is the beauty of Sanatan Dharma. While I've given you such a 3-layer visualization of God, everything collapses into one, right? The ethereal wisdom, that everything, Parabrahma, is Shakti. Everything into one. You want to transform your life through bhakti. You have to develop relationship with God. Nothing doing. Like there is no, I want to write this, I want to say this, I want to do this. The ultimate goal is your transformation. If you are not able to transform in any journey of spirituality, then the whole purpose is defeated. तो अब ये भी है कि अब रिलेशनशिप तो बना लिए भगवान के साथ, पर आप में वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, आपके लाइफ में वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, तो भी नहीं चलेगा। ये है आज के ज़माने का स्पिरिचुअलिटी। ड्रॉप इन योर कमेंट्स एंड टेल मी हाउ यू फील अबाउट व्हाट आई हैव सेड, एंड इफ इट रेजोनेट्स विथ यू, when and all you pray which God, please tell me. I want to talk more about it. Right? Bye. Take care.